We are going to check out top 5 best French door refrigerators in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this French door refrigerators, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 5 best French door refrigerators in 2021. We are going to check out top 5 best French door refrigerators in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this French door refrigerators, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Frigidaire FFHP2750TS 36-inch French door refrigerator with 26.8 cubic feet. Total capacity, in stainless steel. This refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories, and may arrive in a generic box.
Top 4.
Frigidaire Professional PRMC2285AF 36-inch counter depth 4-door French door refrigerator with 21.8 cubic feet capacity, convertible zone drawer. With 36 inches x height, 70 x depth, 31.87. Refrigerator capacity, 13.4 cubic feet. Freezer capacity, 5.7 cubic feet. Sabbath mode, Energy Star. 8 total door bins, 2 total shelves. Weight, 350.00 pounds 120 volts.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Fisher Paykel RS36A72J1 and 36-inch built-in panel-ready French door refrigerator. 16.8 cu.ft. Active Smart Food Care. Clever Energy. Ice Maker.
Top 2.
LG LMXS28626S28 cu.ft. 4-door French door refrigerator, stainless steel. Total cubic foot 27.8/fridge, 18.6/freezer, 9.2. LG Smart ThinQ technology, slim space plus ice system. Dimensions, WHD, 35 3/4 x 69 3/4 x 36 1/4.
Top 1.
Kenmore 25 cubic feet side-by-side refrigerator with ice and water dispenser, white. Item includes room of choice delivery, unboxing, item hookup and free optional haul away at checkout. 25 cubic feet of interior space, adjustable easy-to-clean glass shelving. Gallon door bins and a humidity-controlled clear crisper bin give you tons of storage and organization options throughout the fridge. The indoor dual-pad ice and water dispenser puts fresh water right in your glass, no button fumbling required. The ice dispenser has a clear built-in window so you can keep tabs on ice levels. A built-in water filter reduces water contaminants. Gallon-sized adjustable door bins, a dairy shelf, and tall item accommodation make grabbing commonly used items quick and easy. Depth with handle, inches, 33.81. Depth with O handle, inches, 31.66. Height to top of case, inches, 68.63. Height to top of inches, 69.20. Depth with door open 90 degrees, inches, 49.33. This slim side-by-side refrigerator is lit up by bright LEDs so you can always find what you need. No need to dig through the fridge for the leftover pie.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.